Hi friends, it's Miss Paula with today's craft project. Today, since we have cold weather and we actually even have snow outside, we are going to be making polar bears. The items you will need: glue stick or Elmer's glue, a paper plate. I just used a Christmas one. You could use a large plate or a small one. I just have a small one. You'll need 2 ears, 2 black eyes, a black nose, a styrofoam cup, and cotton balls. Okay, let's start with our ears. You're going to glue, you want the white part showing, so you'll use the back of your plate. You'll glue your ears to the front from behind. Let's hope they stay on for the video. Okay, and there's the ears. Next, take your styrofoam cup and put glue on the rim of the cup. This is part of the bear's nose. And you will stick that kind of in the center. And you'll have to let your glue dry, but I'm gonna try to put it all together so you can see it. Okay, the next thing you can do is put your nose on, and it just goes on top of the bottom part of the cup. And you probably need to leave it flat and give it time to dry, or it will not stay on. I'll try to pick mine up when we're finished so I can show it to you. Next, we'll do the cotton balls. You're going to take your cotton balls, and don't just glue them on, but fluff them out some. And then you will glue those on his face to make his face. No, he's not going to stay together. I'll just show you how to do it and then show you the ones that we have made on the wall. You'll basically take your cotton balls and cover all of his face. It's kind of like 2 rows of the cotton balls, all of the way around. And then you'll add your eyes. And your nose, or your nose is already on. You just add the eyes and you'll be finished. I'll show it to you like this for now. I don't have all of my cotton balls on, obviously. But that is how you make your polar bear. And I will show you our finished ones on the wall. I hope everyone's enjoying this snow. And as always, I will put your supply list, a photo in the comment section, and a finished photo in the comment section.